Okay, I'm now trying to use the Rmnux MCP to analyze with the iauzzy, which is the sample that I am using in the class of 7905. So I already execute some housekeeping activity on my clock as the LLM to communicate or control the Rmnux MCP, and I put the sample inside that. It finished the stage 1 triad, and then it will go to triad number 2, 3, 4, and clock is thinking or developing a complete behavioral analysis on my sample. So it stopped directly because it is designed because I'm giving the instruction to clock to proceed step by step. So I give the permission it to execute. So it proceed. And this is the wording that I am giving the background and notes and giving the task how clock to execute the command through the MCP to analyze the sample iauzzy. And try to find the resources section to find the code. It will try to use the redaal to an object dump instead of using the PE file. I cannot find the binary, but I already give something. It is packed the binary UPX. I didn't tell clock I'm using UPX, so it need to unpack it first. You find some exclusive or plot. It find the exclusive OR key, which can be detect the crypt the one of the location, and it also find the unencrypted SYSUPD. It cannot find the QQT. Strange. So the configuration decrypted. It start using the kappa to do the emulation. This gives me a new view on how to analyze the iauzzy. Proceed. Yes, this is 4016EA. 16EA is important. We find the main function, I mean, not me, actually, LLM, to ask the Hexstrike to perform the by calling the del tool to analyze the function. This is a pure static analysis that comes by using only command line in Linux environment that is not covered in our lecture. At this moment, I found that there are some limitations on how the LLM talk to or control the MCP. It seems the Hexstrike enable a function that the LLM can directly execute command on the virtual machine. I mean, can execute direct command. Clock can execute direct command to the Hexstrike, but why not the same scenario on Rmnux MCP? Maybe I can ask the clock to help me to enable this function so that in future I don't need to use the clock to connect to Hexstrike and then Hexstrike log in the Rmnux and then to perform additional function. Well, it's good. It's good. It can identify iauzzy connect command. It finds the iauzzy connect fun. Let me check whether this will exceed my section usage. Still, I got a lot of the usage token for this section. I guess I can finish the analysis within the same section. report were not found. They were cooked at runtime. Decrypt data section. Find the config command now completely mapped it. Critical raw findings. I need to know this. Speak easy emulation. Yeah, it is interesting. The tool can parse a lot of stuff that I never knowed. I don't know whether I can keep on recording it, but I will try. If not able to record it because I'm using QuickTime on my screen, then you can just read the report and the log afterwards. Yeah, go ahead. You stop. Please don't stop. Yeah, sorry. I have one clip pasted on my MacBook. Really? Will you have sufficient information to write a report? Okay, just update it and see whether we can do it. Full malware analysis report. Then students can learn something on AI handling the reversing when compared with the lab that I presented to you on this simple binary. So don't give up. Somehow when you find the AI running the first time, they are not so smart in a way that you learn from on a specific malware analysis. However, if you are not building up your knowledge, AI can catch up very fast and do more accurate malware analysis automatically. Why we need to learn malware analysis? Somehow one day you can use the same skill set to find 0-day to do the exploit research. But I highly not recommend you to go into that field because that is the way ethically sometimes violate my philosophy. But I will not discourage you, but I'm not going to teach you anything on that direction. There's those LLM without gut real, and let those people who love to do the bug bounty finding exploit in order to claiming themselves as a cybersecurity professional. Let them do that. So I don't think we need to keep on recording. No, it's something coming out. So Let's see what's going on. On stage compete generate the format my awareness as a report skill load. Okay, let me stop the video recording.